Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we got something pretty cool to show you. Over my shoulder here is a 2024 Yamaha 255 FSH H Series. And the guy that owns this boat here tasked us with more accessories than we've ever done on any boat at any one given time. We thought it'd be really cool to show you some of our capabilities. So come on real quick here, I'm gonna show you what we did with this boat. JetBoatPilot does a lot of things, but we do in the rigging section, more like custom, we can do anything. So this guy, he said he wanted to go to the sandbar and he didn't want to have to be inconvenienced with dropping an anchor. So he put on two Raptor 8-footers, push a button, anchors go down. He doesn't have to touch an anchor all day. Thought that was super cool. JetBoatPilot also developed a custom set of brackets for this boat, specifically for the 255. It may work on other boats, but specifically this was made for the 25-foot FSH. We did it so that we could put the cover on the boat, even though you've got a set of Raptors on here. So I thought that was pretty awesome. Also down below while we're here, check this out. Seakeeper Ride 450s. Gonna have a dramatic improvement on his ride. We have a 3-in-1 downscan transducer here, side scan, down scan, custom bracket from JetBoatPilot, necessary because of the way that this reverse bucket's kind of put out so much force. It was bending the factory bracket, made a custom beefy bracket that's not going anywhere. Pretty awesome. Marine mat package on the boat. This boat comes with snap down pads, but we also do a lot of stick down, so added that to the boat. Super cool. Coming inside the boat, more of your marine mat, down the tops of the gunnels, kind of around the front there. Nice big aft sunshade here. This is super cool. This can be used while the boat's underway, so you can be cruising along as fast as you want to go. This hasn't got to come down. Up top here, we didn't do this installation, but it's available. These are really cool Hertz can speakers along with the amplifier and a sub down below, so it's got really kicking sound for the driver. It's always loud up in the front, but always quiet back here. This really makes a nice upgrade so the driver can hear all the sound without having to crank it too loud. Inside this locker here, really cool inflation device, which allows you to inflate your inflatables. It's got a permanent location. It's wired into the boat. You don't have to worry about plugging in somewhere. Really cool. Over here, this is a NOCO charge, so you can just come back home, plug directly into shore power. Manages your batteries really well. Thought that was really, really cool. Up on the dash, dual NSX 12s and a complete custom dash layout. So we reconfigured it to have dual NSXs plus your connect string down low. All of your switches are kind of off to the right. We retained all the factory components, so it's just like factory, just upgraded. Seakeeper Ride keypad right here on the dash, easy to get to. Up on top here, really great. We've got a 180 fisheye mirror here, which is super cool for water sports. Got a glove box up here. It is lockable. VHF radio. All the rocker switches added to accompany all the different accessories that are added because it kind of overwhelmed the factory switches. Up on top, check this out. Long antenna here for your VHF. Your riser for your radar. He wanted to go with a radar system, but we also had to put a riser on for his navigation light. So super trick, looks factory. FLIR, this is night vision. So if you're gonna be boating in the after hours, you can see clearly and not have to worry about safety. That's super, super, super cool. One last thing up in the front, wanted to go with a Fortress FX7. So we moved his anchor holders in, got it configured where the Fortress FX7 fits perfectly up in this anchor locker here. We do these things and much, much, much more, but this is what he wanted for his boat. This was his idea of the perfect boat for his particular situation. Have you seen something that you want for your boat? Maybe some things that you haven't seen that you'd like to see for your boat? Comment below. We can do just about anything in the custom realm. Some of these things you'll find on our website and some of these things you will not. But whatever the case, if you've got questions, comment below. We'd love to answer your questions for you. And by the way, if you like this video, subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification button. That really helps us a lot to grow this channel, to keep doing what we're doing, bringing you guys quality content. And also, if you like this video, check this one out.